What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. We got the V-Star 1300. We're gonna install a Cobra slip-on and give this puppy a little more noise. Yo, I really fucking hope that the exhaust install is easier than the forward extension install, because that thing was a pain in the ass. This beer goes out to 303 Moto. Appreciate it. You bought me like 3 beers, so yeah, no, that's awesome. I haven't had to do this in a while, but yeah, thank you to 303. Go check out his channel and subscribe. Either that.
Fuck you, Mother Nature.
So how to handle in the rain?
I didn't get that much until, like I said, until I was hitting Scottsville, but so far with the whatever sprinkle I had, it was fine.
Nice. Not today, see?
Yep.
Not today. Alright, well shit, we're gonna brave the fucking storm here, and we're gonna get this install done. If I gotta lay on the wet ground, then I gotta lay on the wet ground. Hey Marble, you wanna kind of cradle the other end? Basically, we're gonna like kind of twist this and pull it out. And it should. Ah, huzzah! Yes, we're successful. Oh, now the sun wants to come out.
Yeah.
Is it lighter?
New one? Actually, yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure what the specs are, but I would imagine the Cobra slip-on would be way lighter than that stock thing. Well, that was easy enough. Let's get it back together.
You're gonna have to, yeah, it's the wrong one.
Oh my God.
Unless you do it like by hand.
Okay. Put that shit in front of the camera. Cobra, what the heck is this? What are we supposed to do with that? You sent the wrong clamp. That diameter's way too small.
Or need a longer screw.
Yeah, or a longer screw, but hopefully the stock clamp will work. And I have clamps.
Cobra, is Cobra an American company?
That's a good question.
I would assume so with a name like Cobra. That makes it okay. Unless that clamp is for a completely different purpose, in which I feel like an idiot.
They didn't give us another clamp, so...
Right? All right, so fast forward, we actually did an oil change on this thing. We didn't want to bore you with the details, but we got the Cobra pipe, the Cobra, blah. We got the Cobra slip-on attached. Oil change has been done. There's one thing left to do. Start it up. Let's hear it. And my neighbor is done mowing his lawn. Fucking hop on, take it down the street. Oh yeah, it smells good now. Oh yeah, that's sounding like a real bike now. That's sounding like a real bike. Yes.
My hat almost flew.
I gotta do a test now, bro.
Right. Yeah.
Look at where my short ass leg is. I can't even freaking shift, dude. I'm almost fully extended. Like to shift, I literally have to like.
Dude, my legs are still at an angle with them, but like it's more comfortable. Like
That's crazy. Yeah, and then to shift into second, I just fucking down like that. Neutral, first, neutral, second. Then you can like third, fourth, fifth. But that's, you know, once you get
later.
used to it. Hell yeah. Give me a like, subscribe, do it. Peace.